and welcome you all in this new video. Today we are going to solve English question paper 2024 English language and literature. So set number I had written here, set 2 we are going to solve. So here I have written the we are going to let's begin with the reading part. Let me tell you before about the part of the question. There are 3 parts of the question paper: reading, creative writing skill and grammar, and the literature section. Means A section will be your reading part, B section grammar and the creative writing skill, and the C section of literature section. So all the section we are going to solve one by one. Okay, so let's start the reading part. Solution of the reading part. Question 1, there will be reading part will be for 20 marks. There will be 2 questions, question 1 and 2, each question for 10 marks. So let's start. Question number 1. Here, the question number 1, A option will be correct. Social interaction is necessary to nurture creativity. Next question, question number 2. B, here again A option would be correct. A option would be correct. Both the exertion and the reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of the exertion. I hope it would be clear. Now the third question, inexhaustible. This is the correct answer, inexhaustible. Now the fourth one, question 4th class, 2 marks. You should keep in while solving your question, you should keep one thing in your mind. Keep this question for the 2 marks, so accordingly you will write the answer. So your 2 points I had written. 98% of 3 to 5 year old exhibited creative thinking. Okay. Now the next point, ability drops to 10% among 13 to 15 year old. It means all the both the point you should write in your answer for this question for 2 marks. Now the next answer, 5th question, social, and 6th, creativity flourishes all around. Then the 7th, answer 7, arts, music, writing, technology, science and innovation, business. All would be this answer also for 2 marks. Now the 8th question also for the 2 marks. So future of creativity not in danger. So this is the first question we have solved. Now you can note it down. Now let's look at the passage 2. So we are going to solve the question 2, passage 2 for the reading section. Okay. So here the first question, here as it is given here, what is the use of the phrase a perfect storm of choice by the writer in paragraph 1? Tell us about their feeling. So here the B option would be correct. The consumers are confused. So B option is your correct answer. Okay. Now the second here the thriving would be the correct answer. Third one, data utilization. Third question's answer, data utilization. And the fourth question's answer, retail assistance is your correct answer. In fifth one, option C, there are the 4 options. This is the MCQ question. A option, challenge. B option, data utilization. C option, marketing trends. D option, retail assistance. So C option would be correct, marketing trend. Now question 6. Answer of question 6. Follow. Here. Follow, employ and recommend. All the options, 3 options. The follow would be the correct answer. Now the question 7. Answer of question, complete the sentence suitably. The different approach to revolutionize consumer choice is to dash. So here offer limited functional mid-price product and instead the customer. So this is what correct answer. Now then the 8th question, complete the following with a suitable reason. So here the suitable reason, because the writer believes that the global product abundance cannot be equitable because creator often prioritize wealthiest consumer. So this would be your correct answer. Now the ninth question for 2 marks. This question for 2 marks. So in this way 10 marks you are going to. Overblend array of choice and depend on venture capital funding. So these are your answer. Question 9. There are the 2 points I had given. So this is the answer of passage 2. All the answer you can just note it down. These are the answer of 2. Okay. Now we are going to solve section B, grammar and creative writing skill. Section A we have solved, reading part for 20 marks. Section B also for 20 marks, 10 marks for creative grammar and 10 marks for 10 marks for grammar and 10 marks for creative writing skill. Okay. So here from question 3, your grammar part will start. There are 12 questions. As you can see here, there are 12 questions. Out of 12, you will attempt any 10. Try to understand कि 12 क्वेश्चन इस क्वेश्चन में, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में टोटल 12 क्वेश्चन रहेंगे. उस 12 में आप कोई 10 अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं जो आपको कठिन लगता है, कोई 2 आप छोड़ सकते हैं. 10 क्वेश्चन फॉर 10 marks. Okay, I hope it will be clear. Now look at the answer. So first question here, it is given here. Read the sentence from a story. Fill in the blanks by using the correct form of the word in the bracket. So here, the form of the word in bracket given. As I entered the room, the first thing that struck me as odd was candle still dash. In bracket, it is given the word bird on the table. The curtains had been drawn back and the room was bright. So here, the burning. The correct option would be burning. So in bracket, it is given. Next question, error and correction. So here, error is the concerning and correction is the correct word is the concern. Next question, complete the given statement by filling the blank with the correct option. A mask is used to hide the identity dash a person with A option correct of a person. Now the fourth one, D option correct. Had come. You often confuse had came and had come. Think about it. Had come. Come is the third form of the verb and came is the second form of the form of the verb will use alone in the past tense, simple past tense, second form of the verb. So had with the had के साथ कभी भी second form of the verb नहीं आता, past participle आता है, third form of the verb आता है. थोड़ा सा आप कंफ्यूज हो गए होंगे तो आपके आंसर गलत हो गया, तो ये आपको ध्यान देना है, had के साथ कम आता है. Now the next fifth one, again error and correction. So here the word allowed is error and allow would be correct. Now the sixth question, from the reported speech, you have to report. The speaker asked Ramesh which book did he want. Ramesh replied that he wanted a reference book for physics which he could use for project work. He could, can will use into could, and here wanted a reference book. So here it means you have to change in the. If you have any problem while changing, if you want to study this reported speech in detail, so you can watch the reported speech, direct and indirect speech videos in my previous video. So you will get there the video, separate video, there you can learn how to change this reported speech. Okay, moving forward, just look at the next question, question number 7. So here the option given, which, those and such. So here the option which would be correct. In 7 question, option which would be correct. Okay, now the 8th question. 8th question, complete the statement by a career counselor by filling the blank with the correct option. In our country, dash, universities offer a range of courses. That's why foreign students prefer Indian university. Option A option more, B each, C many and D few. So here the C option many. C option would be correct. Now the 9th one. 9th question again the related to here. The city planner said that the new park was a result. So here the was a result would be correct. 10th question. Choose the correct option here. B option. B option would be correct. He showed that he had not stolen the bag. Now the 11th and 12th. The 11th question again error and correction. So here the D option would be view and the views. View is error and views is the correction. Now the last one. The 12th question. A very and few. Here the A option would be correct. Very few and the some. So we have discussed all the questions of the grammar part. I hope it would be clear. Now I'm moving aside. You can take a screenshot or you can note it down. Now, we are going to solve literature part, section C for 40 marks. Okay, as you can see here, section C we are going to solve. Question 3, grammar part, solution I had given you. And question 5, 4 and 5 for creative writing skill. Separate video I have uploaded. If you hadn't watched, you can go and watch it according to the format. And by following all the steps, you will get the mark. Okay, so literature part from the question 6 we are going to start. Question 6 and 7 stand based question for 5 marks. 5 marks for each. Okay. So question 6 stack, one stack you will have from your textbook prose and from the first slide, and the second from the footprint without fit. Second part 5. Any one you have to attempt. Like both the answer I had written here. A question 6A and here the B. Any one you will attempt. Okay. Here both the I am giving you the answer. Any one you will. Okay. So let's look at the question. The first question, what effect does the experience as described in the line below have on the speaker? Time and again, I have seen men and women risk their lives for an idea. So here, the option, here you will write the answer. Answer the realization of meaning of courage or resilience and strength. So your correct answer is of this question from first question, realization of the meaning of courage here. So and the resilience strength. Now the second question. Second question, select one inference about the idea of courage from the given context. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Very important. While explaining my chapter in class, I alert my student be aware about this part. What is the mean courage means? Courage means courage was not the absence of fear. So what is it? Here the question. Option you will have being fearless, absence of fear, feeling about fear, ability to overcome fear. So which one? You will choose the D option correct. Ability to overcome fear. Now the third one. Question third. According to the author, answer in about 40 words with reference to the context here. So according to the author, what does true courage entail? How does this perspective differ from a common misconception about courage? So here the answer I had written here, a triumph over fear rather than the absence of fear. So this topic you will increase. You will highlight this topic for 40 words and differs from the common misconception that defined by absence of fear. So this topic, both the topic you will cover this answer. And this question for 2 marks. So while writing your answer, might any one can be given for 2 marks. So that you should keep in mind this question for 2 marks. So you will write your answer accordingly. Now the fourth one. The fourth question, fill in the blanks with the correct phrase from the bracket in the context of the given extract. Men stood up to torture, showing strength and resilience that is impossible to understand. This answer impossible to. So first A stack all the answer I had given. If you had written all the answers, so definitely you will get 5 marks for this. Now the B question has been given from the A Thief's Story from your Footprint Without Feet books, supplementary books. This chapter from the Thief's Story, this stack has been given. Let's look at the question 1. Question 1. In the context of the given extract, what was the feeling unlikely to have been on seeing a 50 rupee note between his fingers? So it was A option. Here the option given. A option, joyous, B sad, C unhappy, and D worried. So think about a joyous. Answer directly, answer I'm giving you. Now the second question. What does the prospect of being paid regularly affect the narrator's motivation and hope for the future? This question also for 2 marks and 40 words you have to write. Hopeful to being educated by Anil and looks for a respectable space in society. So these topic with both the topic you should write in your answer. Now the third question. Here filling the blanks with the correct word from the bracket. So here from the bracket here, the person is spoken about did not let the narrator realize that this act of stealing was caught. It reflects the ability or dishonesty of his character. So here the nobility. Nobility would be the correct answer. Now the last question. Here compare the meaning of the expression. My heart sank and my spirit rose. Half marks you will get for this answer and half for this. Okay, so you have to write the correct word meaning of my heart sank. The meaning of this word is a feeling of disappointment, fear, and spirit rose means positive emotional state, hopeful and the optimistic. So these are the answer of the stack based question 6. So I hope it would be clear. Now you can take a screenshot or note it down. Now look at the question 7. Stack part for 5 marks. This question is stacked from the poetry. Seventh question, you will have the 2 stack from the poetry. So here in this question, from the poem Tree, the question, the tree. The passage given, my head is full of whispers. This stanza given. Question given regarding the first, let's look towards the first question. The metaphorical expression used by the poet to describe the movement of the trees is dash. So here, the correct answer you will write here is stumbling forward. Here, stumbling forward. Now the question second. Based on the tone, discuss how Adrienne Rich present the conflict between man and nature. So how here, this question for 2 marks. Question 2 for 2 marks. While writing your answer, keep in mind this question for 2 marks. So according to the 2 marks, you will write your answer. So here the appears to be eerie and the foreboding. And the second, here the point I have written, second and third. So blast and Goliath, man-made barrier, sense of the tension, treat nature struggling to move out from the shelter. So here, So this answer you will write structure in the open. So this question 2 you will write this answer. This topic you should write. If you have written, you will get the full mark. Okay. Now the third question, what is the mood or atmosphere conveyed by the imagery in the passage? Imagery means what image in your mind after reading the poem, after reading this, what image it means. Here the option given, you will have the option. This is the MCQ based question. Here is the option: calm and the tranquil, eerie and the forbidding, joyful and the celebratory, and melancholic and the traumatic. So here the option B would be correct, eerie and the forbidding. Here the answer B would be correct. Now the question 4, why would the whisper be silent tomorrow? So here the correct answer would be the trees would move out of the house and into the forest. So this is your answer correct. It means this is your answer of 4 for 1 mark. Trees would move out of the house towards the forest. Okay. So I hope this answer all the 4 questions for 5 marks. I had given you the answer. Now look at the next or part. Any one you have to. Then the question 7 there would be the 2 part, or either A or B you will attend. So here the both the questions answer I am giving you. So here this passage has been taken from the Amanda poem. The poem Amanda, this stanza given. I am Rapunzel, I have not cared. So this stanza given. You can take your textbook to practice it. Take out the textbook, open that line, and then practice this question. The first question which is given here, complete the following suitably. Amanda sulked and become moody because her mother gives her too many instructions. Your moody because she has so many instructions. Now the second question, there were 2 points I had written here. She does not want to follow them, but she cannot dare to ignore them. It means she don't want to follow and ignore it. Now the second question, what does the girl constantly earn for? What do you pattern about Amanda from the poem? So here the answer, the earns for freedom and tranquility, independence, and portrays unhappiness and discontent. Now the next question 3, the tone of the speaker in the explanation, in the exclamation, stop that sucking at once Amanda, is option given here: shorted, aggressive, dominating, meek, moody. And here you have to choose the option A, B, C, and D. So here which would be the correct option? Correct option would be the fourth one would, here B option would be correct. A and 2 and 3. The 2 and the 3 would be the correct answer. Here the 7 all the questions answer I had given. I hope it would be clear. Okay. So students, these are the answer of the question 7. All the stat questions I had given. Question 8, 9, 10, 11. The question of the question answer depend on the question answer. So you can write your answer on your understanding basis of the chapter. Accordingly, you will get the answer. Okay. For more detail, if you want to study the chapter in detail, so go to my previous video and watch it. So student, this is the solution of class 10th 2025 English question paper. I hope it would be very useful to you all. If you like my video, hit the like button. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notification if I upload any new video. Thanks for watching.